Lesson 14. Means of transportation. Means of transportation is any of the different kinds of transport facilities used for moving goods and people from one location to the other. Types of transportation: by land, by sea, by air, and by rail. First, by land. Car. Bus. Jeep. Taxi. School bus. Police car. Ambulance. Scooter. Tricycle. Bicycle. Motorbike. Van. Truck. By air. Plane. Helicopter. Rocket. Air balloon. Parachute. By sea. Ship. Yacht. Sailboat. Submarine. Canoe. Kayak. By rail. Train. Subway. Tramway. Keep up the good work. See you soon.